SOV tree cutting. Take 2.
Yep. Watch it for me, Brian.
Woohoo! That's scary, right?
Those ones, oh, that's going to go that way.
Yeah, that's the way they want it to go. Yeah. No, you're good, because it's going down the hill. Assuming everything goes the way they plan. No, those poor frogs are going to die.
I'm not picking up that log if there's so much frog on there.
Me neither.
Cut the far side first.
Uh-oh, here we go. And our teammates watch from afar. The girls are up here, the guys are in the back hiding. It would be my luck that the tree would come right at me, you know? Well, I hope so. He promised it's not going near me. It's not going the way I think that they want it to go.
No, it is,
There it goes.
it is.
There it goes.